Welcome to Day 24, Transformation Focused Selling Mastery. This is an eye-opening exploration of why people really make purchasing decisions. While many believe that features drive sales, the truth runs much deeper into our emotions. Today, we'll uncover the real motivation behind why people buy and how the transformation sales and marketing happens. The transformational truth about human purchasing behavior is that people don't buy products or services. They buy better visions of themselves. When somebody makes a purchase, they're investing in a transformation, whether it's confidence, whether it's status, whether it's capability, or whether it's belonging. Understanding this dynamic is crucial for anyone looking to connect with their audience effectively. Consider how luxury brands have mastered this principle. A high-end watch company doesn't just sell timepieces. They sell status, sophistication, and memberships into exclusive clubs. The actual features of the watch, while important, are secondary to the emotional transformation and social significance it represents. The same principle applies whether you're selling physical products, digital services, or professional expertise. The key to leveraging and understanding this lies in the shifting of your focus from what your product and or service is to what it does for people. Paint a vivid picture of the transformation that your customers are going to experience. Features provide logical justifications for a purchase decision that's already been made emotionally, that helps people feel confident about following their emotional desires. Consider the success of Apple's marketing strategy. While their products are technically sophisticated, their marketing rarely leads with specifications. Instead, they focus on how their device enriches lives, enables creativity, and connects with people. The technical features are mentioned only after establishing an emotional connection with the audience aspirations and desires. Understanding this principle helps you to explain why testimonials and case studies are so powerful. They don't just demonstrate that your product works. They show potential customers the transformation that is possible for people just like them. Real stories of change and success speaks directly with emotional drivers that influence purchasing decisions. This insight should fundamentally change how you approach sales conversations. Instead of focusing on the features, understand what the transformation your potential customer desires. Ask about their goals, ask about their aspirations, then position your offering as a bridge to their ideal future. Social proof strengthens this approach. When customers see that others are achieving similar transformations through testimonials and success stories, it validates their own potential for change. To implement this approach effectively, focus on how your product transforms lives rather than just what it does. Combined with power storytelling that helps customers visualize their journey, this significantly improves your marketing impact. Remember, success comes from truly understanding the transformations that your customers seek. The deep understanding is what creates marketing messages that truly resonate and drive sales. Take them on a journey of how you went from working 8 to 16 hours to where you're working 2 to 3 hours a day. Take them on a journey of getting their time back if that is what they're wanting to do. Whenever you take them on this journey, then that's where the transformation is going to happen.